A while back, Maxoak sent me a box in the mail with a BLUETTI AC10 inside. The AC10 is a 99 watt-hour portable AC outlet power bank. That's a mouthful. So what actually is this thing all about? It's a power bank like many of you already own. I've got a couple of them myself that I carry all the time and use all the time for things like charging my MacBook Pro, charging my iPhone, charging pretty much anything that I can plug a USB cable into. So the thing about this one in particular is it is an AC outlet power bank. Now when you're charging from a USB cable, you're charging using DC power. And that's great, but what happens when you need AC? You need an actual wall plug. Well, that's where the AC10 comes in. This thing has a full-sized AC wall plug on the power bank itself. Now, I was going to just talk about the tech specs and give you my overall opinion of how this thing performs, but I wanted to make it a little bit more interesting. So what I've decided to do with this video is show you 5 unexpected ways that you can actually use this charger that you cannot do with a standard power bank. First up on the list, we have backup lights. Now, you're not always in a situation where you need to plug in lights into a power bank. But if you find yourself in the dark because of a power outage, one of the cool things about this is you can plug in a strand of Christmas lights and power them for a really long time. Second up on the list is a nebulizer. Now, I guarantee you the vast majority of the people that are watching this have no need for a nebulizer. And for those who don't know, this is something that we've used for our children whenever they are having problems breathing and we need to administer medications to them through this mist. But my hope for this was to show you that some medical equipment can be run in emergencies off of this power bank. And for me, that is super useful. So number 3, I am going to go ahead and throw in the fact that it is really cool that you can use your full wall charger for your MacBook Pro or other laptops and get the much quicker charge than you will whenever you use the smaller or the DC output that gives a much lower rate of charge. Number 4, this is pretty simple, but a fan. You know, you can hook up a box fan or anything smaller that typically plugs into the wall and get a lot of air movement for a really long time. The last and final item on my list is your TV. We have a 32-inch TV, and this thing runs the TV just fine. Now, why is this useful? You know, I'm probably not going to deplete my battery bank in a power outage to play Mario. But what I will absolutely use this for is to make sure that I've got the news going if we're in the middle of really bad weather and our power goes out. Y'all, there are so many amazing things that you can do with an AC outlet on a power bank. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comments section below, what would you do with a 100-watt outlet on a power bank? What kind of things, what creative ways could you use this for self-preparedness or just for fun? If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. That really helps the Google algorithm so that I end up sharing this video with more people through the YouTube platform. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you guys on the next one.